Oh boy. That damn litter box. Let's plop the chair down here. Alrighty guys, welcome to the channel. Alright, let's try that again. Welcome to the channel. So this is my 2004 Sportster Custom 1200. And I did mention probably about a month ago that I was going to be wrapping my Harley. Now, this Harley is probably forever going to stay with me. I do want to eventually upgrade and get a Street Glide, but this bike will not go anywhere. It's an 04. It only has 25,000 miles on it. It does have aftermarket exhaust, but I just want something a little bit different than the white. So I put out like a little question for you guys to like answer what color you guys want to see, different things like that. And I got a whole plethora of different colors so you guys would be interested in. Initially, being brutally honest with you guys, I was actually going to go take this off, and I was going to go with a military green, a matte finish military green. And the more that I thought about it, I'm like, it would look great if the rest of my bike was powder coated black. If my wheels were powder coated black, if a lot of this stuff was powder coated black, that would look really good. I'm not saying I'm not gonna do that at some point, but right now I'm not really interested in looking to powder coat everything. So I was like trying to like figure out what would be the best color combo that would make me happy personally. So the ultimate bike that I want to get is a 2012 Tequila Sunrise Street Glide. Now, those are extremely hard to come by, and every time I seem to come by one, it's already sold or whatever the case may be. But I really like orange on a Harley. So I went and was just kind of looking around at stuff online, and then ended up finding some colors. And with it being my first time vinyl wrapping, I'm not having high expectations, especially with wrapping the tank. The tank I feel like is going to be a pain in the ass, especially as somebody who's never done it before. So the wrap that's going to go on it probably won't be the permanent color on the bike anyway. So this is going to be like the kind of like little bar hopper bike that we have just to kind of cruise around in, do whatever. Like I said, once I ultimately get a Street Glide, that will be my kind of, I will spec it out and get exactly what I'm looking for. In the meantime, with this, I don't want to like alter this bike too much. I considered getting mini apes to put on here, and I still am. But there was a couple other things that I just kind of like thought about that would really kind of amplify the look of this bike, and changing the white was one of them. Now, don't get me wrong, this white does not look bad at all. It's actually in very good shape, but in the same token, the vinyl wrap's not going to hurt the paint at all underneath. The only thing that I would have to do if I ever wanted to go back to the white would be just tear the wrap off and then re-put the emblem back on the side. So, what color did I end up choosing? Well, it is right back here. So I'm actually going to two different colors. So, both of the fenders are going to be gloss black. So I ended up going with Vivid Wrap, which I've seen a lot of like love-hate relationship with people that have installed Vivid, but a lot more positive than negative. So for like 40 bucks, I'm going to be able to wrap my bike, and whether it looks terrible or it looks good, I'm going to be happy with it, just for, you know what I mean, just for the time being. When it comes to wrapping the fenders, I don't know how difficult that is going to be. It seems like it's going to be a hell of a lot easier than doing this in reference to the tank, but both of my fenders are going to become gloss black. Now, this is still obviously in the little wrap that they have on this, but the rear fender and the front fender are going to be black. So if you guys can envision that right now, actually, I think there's a Sportster 48 1200 that has like a similar paint scheme to what I'm going for here. And I think it's just going to be like a nice little touch. Now, I'm going to set this wrap back over here. The tank, this is actually a satin chrome orange by Vivid. So it's going to be kind of hard to tell, I'm sure, because the lighting inside my basement is not the greatest. But if you guys can imagine this being up top here with black gloss black, and then obviously keeping some chrome. Like, I don't want to get rid of this chrome. I don't want to change my pipes out. I like that the chrome is still kind of on this stuff because it still looks good. I think that this color, with getting some black Harley decals and just putting some temporary decals on the side, I think that'll look really freaking sweet. I'm actually going to pull this out, kind of get it more towards the light so you guys can actually see the color of this, because the color of this is, honestly, it's quite interesting looking, because it's it's a chrome, but it's satin, and it some angles it's darker, some angles it's bright, which I think is going to look really cool on this bike. So kind of more directly under light, you guys can kind of see how it changes, especially when the light is directly on it. But if I kind of drift away from the light a little bit, it does get a little bit darker. I think this is going to be really cool because, like, in light, it's going to reflect kind of like that yellow that you guys are seeing inside there. Let me know what you guys think. I think that I'm going to need, honestly, a bigger sheet of this. I think I messed up my calculations when I initially went to order. I think I do need to see, now look at that, as it's like covered in the dark. It's obviously a little bit darker color and it's not as yellowish. So with that being said, let's take it over to the bike and see exactly how it looks. I'm just going to kind of flap a little bit down here. Sorry for kind of holding you guys kind of goofy, but now I'm blocking the light. No. But you guys can kind of see there what we're kind of going to be going for. And then in the sunlight, like I said, it'll really, really shine. Now that I'm not awkwardly trying to hold it and do it at the same time, just try to imagine that gloss black that is there, but being gloss back there and gloss up here. Now I do have like this little light here, so you guys can kind of see in the sunlight what this is going to look like. And I think it's going to look freaking sweet as I'm going down the road, kind of seeing that color on the tank. I'm really excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm actually really excited to do this. I'm excited to try to wrap something for the first time. Now, as I said, I have no experience in wrapping anything. This is going to be my first time, so I'm obviously going to take the tank off of the bike, take the fairings off of the bike. Well, I should say the fenders off of the bike. And I'm actually going to take them upstairs. And I'm going to do it right in my kitchen. So I got this little kit off of Amazon that like has like all the squeegees, all the knives, all the everything that you would need. It's like a beginner kit for that. So maybe if you guys want, I'll do like a little unboxing showing you guys what all is inside that box. If that's something that you guys are interested in, I can show you guys everything that box comes with. I think the box was like 20 or 25 bucks on Amazon. And honestly, I'll be able to use that for whatever I decide to vinyl wrap down the road. As this being like a temporary just for this year kind of look, I'm thinking it's going to look pretty sweet. I have the envisionment, or I should say the image in my head of what this is going to look like, and I think it's going to look absolutely phenomenal. Anyway, guys, if this was your first time watching a video on my channel, hope you guys give this video a big thumbs up. I know a lot of you guys were expecting to be other colors other than this, but I'm excited for this. Drop your comments down below for what you guys think about the color combination that we are putting on here. It's kind of very simple, but I think it's going to stand out. Till the next time, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Later.